Hello everyone, this is Divaka Mola before you with a video on digital marketing. In this video, I'll be talking about what is digital marketing strategy and customer value journey. After that, I will dive into each of the 8 steps of the journey, and in the end of the video, I'll say some important points. So, let us begin with what is digital marketing. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as marketing channel. There is no big difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. In both, smart organizations seek to develop mutually beneficial relationships with prospects, leads, and customers. Digital marketing strategy. The customer value journey is the strategic foundation upon which every other digital marketing discipline and tactic is built. Customer value journey. The customer value journey is the process every prospect goes through to become a new customer. When we understand the process, we'll be able to generate leads. Even reviews and replies will become automatic. There are 8 steps in this journey. Number 1, awareness. Number 2, engagement. Number 3, subscribe. Number 4, convert. Number 5, excite. Number 6, ascend. Number 7, advocate. And number 8, promote. Number 1, awareness. Before someone begins buying from us, they have to realize our existence. We can make a prospect aware of our company, products, and services through many number of ways. The digital marketing tactics to improve awareness are digital advertising, search marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, community management, copywriting. Number 2, engagement. Our prospect is now aware of us. Now they know who we are, but we are still in the early stages of a relationship with them. They don't yet know us fully, like us, or trust us. So the next step is to start developing relationship with our prospect. Step number 2, engagement, is where we start conversing with our prospects. We engage them through some form of content that provides entertainment, information, or both. Engagement is not something we do once and move on. Digital marketing discipline that create engagement are content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, community management. Number 3, subscribe. To get more subscriptions, the digital marketing tactics we need are content marketing, digital advertising, conversion rate optimization, copywriting, email marketing, community management. Number 4, convert. The convert stage in the journey is about acquiring buyers or ramping up the commitment level of the leads we already have. It is not about profitability. The key to success in this stage is to employ what we call entry point offers. The digital marketing tactics we need to master are digital advertising, content marketing, copywriting, email marketing, search marketing. Number 5, excite. Our goal in the excite stage of the customer value journey is to make sure our customer gets value from their transaction. To improve consumption in our company, the digital marketing tactics we need to master or hire include email marketing, content marketing, copywriting. Number 6, ascent. The ascent stage of the value journey is where our customer will be ready to buy more and more often. If our business has a core offer, this is the place to make that offer. Then once our customer purchases that core offer, it is time to present them with other relevant offers. To improve ascension in our company, the digital marketing tactics we need to master are email marketing, copywriting, digital advertising, content marketing. Number 7, advocate. An advocate is what we might call a passive promoter. They won't necessarily promote our business in an active way, but when asked about us, they will respond favorably. To get more advocates in our company, the marketing efforts we need to work on include social media marketing, email marketing, search marketing. Number 8, promote. Promoters differ from advocates in that they are actively seeking to speak the word about our brands, products, and services. To get more promoters in our company, the marketing efforts we need to work on include email marketing, copywriting. Now the question is, how one can move prospects through the customer value journey? The answer is building market campaigns. Important. Number 1, always remember that it costs more to acquire a new customer than to sell to an existing one. Guys, the customer value journey is the foundation for all the tactics. Whether we are learning about content marketing, digital advertising, or analytics, or any other topic, please keep this concept in mind. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, comment, and share.